very good morning, students. A very good morning, students. Welcome back to the next video of IGKO Olympiad workbook. So we are going to start. Last we have done chapter number 8, that on entertainment. So we'll start with chapter number 9. Okay, we have completed chapter number 8. We'll complete chapter number 9 about sports. Today we are going to study about sports. Let us see what are there in the sports chapter number 9. Here we come with chapter number 9, sports. Okay, so let us read the first question. Where is the National Institute of Sports located? It is the academic wings of the Sports Authority of India and Asia's largest sport institute. So here where it is situated: A. New Delhi, B. Lucknow, C. Mumbai, D. Patiala. So it's option number D, Patiala. Okay, it is the National Institute of Sports located in Patiala. Okay, now it is the wing of the Sports Authority of India, okay, and Asia both. The largest sports institute is in Patiala. Okay, coming to question number 2. Wimbledon is one of the 4 Grand Slam tennis tournament. The winner of this inaugural Wimbledon championship was Spencer Gore. This tournament is played on clay court, hard court, grass court, or carpet court. Yes, it is on grass court. It is on grass court. Okay, coming to question number 3. Where was the first one-day international match played in India? Where was the first one-day international played in India? It is option B, Ahmedabad. Option B, Ahmedabad. Okay. The fourth question. This sport has assumed an image of extreme seriousness, with total silence expected of the crowd. What is this sport that is recognized by pink and black balls as well as symbolic 147 finish? You all know this, okay? You all know this, where there is a full silent of their pink and black balls. Obviously, when we are talking about balls, there are lots of balls. Here one ball, here one ball, here also one ball. So here we are talking about option D, that is which game? You all will tell me. What is this? Golf. Okay, sorry. What is this? Snooker. Play snooker. Okay. Okay. Number 5th. On December 16, 2015, Coal India Limited was named as the new title sponsor of the Hockey India League, HIL. Okay, Hockey India League for the 3-year term. Which one of the following sponsor was replaced by CIL? Okay, so it was A. Indian Oil, B. Hero, C. Punjab National Bank, or D. ONGC. ONGC. So it is option number B, Hero. Okay, coming to next question, number 6. Question number 6, moving to the next question. Which of the following was the official mascot of UEFA European Championship 2016? Okay, these types of pictures will be no name. Okay, so official mascot is this one, option B. Okay, let us go to number 7. Vellam Kali is a traditional boat race festival of which of the following Indian state? I know most of you know Kerala. Kerala is, sorry, marked option D. Okay, option C, Kerala. Okay, option 8. Coming to question number 8. Who among the following has won 22 Grand Slam titles? Who among the following has won 22 Grand Slam titles? So it is Steffi Graf, Venus Williams, Maria Sharapova, Justine Henin. It is A. Steffi Graf. It is A. Steffi Graf. Okay, coming to ninth number question. Which one of the following cities hosted the 66th Senior National Basketball Championship for men and women? For men and women senior, it is A. Mumbai, B. Mysore, C. Hyderabad, D. Patiala. It is B. Mysore. It is B. Mysore. Okay. Moving to question number 10. What is the name of mascot of the 12th South Asian Games held in Guwahati and Shillong? It is A. Options are Chakar, Shreya, Pappu, Thikor. So it is option D, Thikor. Okay. The name of the 12th South Asian Games held in Guwahati and Shillong. Okay. Thikor. 11th number. Moving to 11th number. The Khelo India national level competition was inaugurated in which of the following cities in January 2017? A. Hyderabad, B. New Delhi, C. Patiala, D. Pune. So it's option number B, New Delhi. Okay, the Khelo India national level competition was inaugurated in January 2017 in New Delhi. Question number 12. The Brazilian football legend Ronaldinho Guha inaugurated the Nexe International Club Football Tournament, which was received after a gap of 21 years. In which of the following state this tournament was held? It was held in Kerala. It was held not in Meghalaya, not in Nagaland, not in Manipur. It was held in Kerala. Okay. Okay. Ronaldinho Gucho inaugurated, the Brazilian legend. He is the very famous. You all know. I know you all know. You have heard Ronaldo. Okay. Now moving to question number 13. Who among the following cricketers has scored first double century in the World Cup cricket? Who among the following cricketers? I know most of you know the names of the cricketers. Okay, most of you know option B. What is the name? You tell me. You will all will tell me what is the name. It is option B. You will tell me the name of that cricketers. Okay, it's homework for you all. Okay. Now we'll do question number 14. Okay. Late Captain Shankar Lakshman, who won the Major Dhyan Chand Lifetime Achievement Award, which sport was he associated with it? Late Captain Shankar Lakshman won Major Dhyan Chand Lifetime Achievement Award. Okay, which sport was he? We are doing question number 14. So he was on football, hockey, wrestling or shooting. He was in hockey. Okay. Then moving to question number 15. The sports person shown in the picture associated with which sport? Okay. A. Tennis, B. Badminton, C. Hockey or billiards. It is billiards. It is D. Billiards. Okay. Number 16. Australian won 2016 Trans Tasman Trophy of Cricket by defeating which of the following countries? Which of the following countries? A. South Africa, B. Pakistan, C. New Zealand and D. England. So it is C. New Zealand. Okay. Moving to question number 17. Who holds the record as the youngest boxer to win the WBC, WBA, IBF heavyweight titles? It is option B, Mike Tyson. Option B, Mike Tyson. Okay. Question number 18. Learn these questions very nicely. All are very important, whether it comes for Olympiad or not, but it is very good for your general knowledge. Okay. What is the total playing time of match for men's field hockey? What is the total playing time of a match for men field hockey? 60 minutes, 70 minutes, 90 minutes or 120? It is 60 minutes. It is 60 minutes for one playing. Okay. Number 19, you have seen in many movies also it shows. Okay. Who among the following sports person carried Indian tricolor at 2010 Gunzhou Asian Games? Who among the following sports person carried Indian tricolor at 2010 Gunzhou Asian Games? So who was he? Sania Mirza? No. Gagan Narang? Sania Nehawal? Both are tennis. It is Gagan Narang. It is Gagan Narang who carried tricolor flags, or he posted all the tricolors, okay, on his faces. 20th number, Martin Crew was a Wisden Cricketer of the Year in 1985 and was credited as one of the best young batsmen in the world. He was the citizen of which country? New Zealand, England, Australia or South Africa? It is New Zealand. Okay. Moving to question number 21. Which among the following yogasana is incorrectly named? Which of the yogasana is incorrectly named? Okay. Okay. Number A, Utkatasana. Number D, Garudsana. Number C, Tandasana. And number D, Trikosana. It is number D, Trikosana. Okay, it is not Trikosana. It is not Trikosana. It is somewhat called child pose. Okay, in English I know it is called child pose. Okay. Okay. Moving to question number 22. Why is flexibility considered as component of a fit and healthy lifestyle? Why is flexibility considered as component of a fit and healthy life? Number A, to avoid straining muscles during physical activities, to impress others during warm-up activities, to be able to lift heavy weights to help fight infections. Yes, we all have come to know it's option A, to avoid straining muscles during physical activities. Moving to question number 23. Which of the following Olympics logo is incorrectly named? Okay. A, Rio 2016, Rio 2016, Pyeongchang 2018, Tokyo 2020, D, Beijing 2020. Okay, it's Beijing 2022. It's a wrongly logoed. Okay, it is incorrect logo. Okay, moving to question number 24. Val Barker Trophy is awarded in the Olympic Games for. Val Barker Trophy is awarded is for cycling, RK, boxing or hockey. It is C, boxing. Okay, moving to question number 25. Which one of the following cities will host the 2022 Winter Olympics? 2022 Winter Olympics. Okay, so it's Tokyo, Beijing, Atlanta and Los Angeles, Beijing. It is Beijing. 26. The first edition of SAFF, South Asian Football Federation Championship, was held in 1993 in Pakistan. Which among the following countries is the most successful nation in this tournament? Which is the most? It is Maldives, India, Afghanistan or Pakistan? It is India. Remember, South Asian Federation in Pakistan, India was very, very achievable. Okay. Moving to 27th question. Who among the following became the first Indian footballer to play in the Union of European Football Association, UEFA? Who among the following became the first Indian footballer to play in the Union of European Football Association, Europe League? Okay, so Sunil Chetri, Shahid Rehmi, Nabi, Sandesh Jingra, Gurpreet Singh Sadhu. It is Gurpreet Singh Sadhu. Okay. Now 28. Look at the image, cricket image. Okay, it is cricket of cricket field and identify the points marked by mid wicket and cover respective for right-handed striker. Okay. So A 2 and 3, B 3 and 4, 1 and 4 and 2 and 5. Right-handed marker. Okay, right-handed striker. So right hand cover respectively for right-handed striker. Right, if they will throw then 3 over here or either here. So it's 3 and 4. Okay, number 20th is B, option B, 3 and 4. Okay, now 29th. The Gallot Cup refers to the competition in the United Kingdom from 1963 to 1980, in South Africa from 1970 to 1977, in Australia. Okay. The Gallot Cup refers to competition in United Kingdom from 1960 to 1980 and in South Africa from 1970 to 1977 in Australia. During 1972 to 73 and 1979 to 80 in West Indies, during 1975, 96 and 1976 and 97, this cup was related to which sport? Badminton, lawn tennis, cricket or RK? So it is cricket. Okay, it is option C, cricket. Last question. Fill in the blanks and select the correct option from the codes given below. The 2018 World Snooker Championship 2018 was held in 1, 2, who won the championship defeating 3. Okay. So one number, among one number who is there, among two number who is there, and number 3. Number 1 India, Pankaj Advani, Aditya Mehta, no. Bangladesh, Varun Madan, Pankaj Advani, no. England, Mark Williams, John Haggis. Yes, it is C, option C. England, Mark Williams and John Haggis. Okay. Snooker championship was held in England. Okay. Mark Williams won the championship by defeating John Hingis. Okay. So I hope you have understood this thing, how the sports and all will come, the questions will come. Do revise these questions to understand what I am talking about, how you will understand the questions. Do it. Okay, thank you students for today's video. We'll start chapter number 10 soon in our next video. Okay, thank you for it.